verified.
Jonas, वो स्टूल क्यों रखा है अंदर कबर्ड के अंदर?
Okay, I'll tell you why. You see, Mr. Short King here.
He's not short.
Okay.
He's the taller one in his class.
Except for Amber, bro. Okay.
Oh yes, Amber is taller. But he's taller than most of the classmates.
Okay, yeah, most of people. Okay. Especially just. Okay. Next.
Junior, can you please drink some more milk so that you can reach there?
Like, look, when you left and told us to fix our cupboard, right? The t-shirts were out of the hangers. I went downstairs because I finished my pants already. Now it's his turn to do the t-shirt. He put all t-shirts inside the iron inside the hanger, right? I'm watching my movie in peace. Man calls me, Jonas, can you please help me to put this.
Now, mommy called you. Mommy called you.
No. Come here. Let us verify this. Come here. Man's like this. So here, I got an invention.
Oh,
he takes
you
out,
got an extension for him.
Yeah. Come on, let's test it now. Let's test it. Perfecto.
Okay.
Need more. Need.
Junior, you need some more height,
And
okay?
Look. Our only option except for this is to hire this. Make this more higher.
Why?
And
Why?
make this more higher so you can put this more up. But if you put this down, it will cover our pants. It's already doing that.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. And sometimes
So the only option या तो stool रखे या तो junior अपनी height बढ़ाए.
or you have to spend more money because he sometimes does this. You open the thing, climbs on it.
Oh my God, junior, that's very dangerous. You might break it.
And one time I did it. I
Please
got scared.
use that chair, okay?
Use this tool. It's very useful.